How to fix disk write error on Steam. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So first of all, you want to go ahead and exit Steam permanently. So go ahead and tap on this drop down and then right click onto it and then simply tap on exit Steam. So in the search bar, go ahead and search for Steam, right click on Steam and then simply tap on open file location. So from here, you want to go ahead and right click onto it and then again simply tap on open file location. So inside here, go ahead and right click onto it, then tap on properties. Inside properties, tap on compatibility and you want to make sure that this run this program as an administrator is toggled on. Once done, tap on apply, then tap on OK. So once you're done with this step, head back to your home screen and then open Steam. Inside Steam, go ahead and log into your account, and once you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on Steam, then tap on Settings. Inside here, scroll below and then simply tap on Storage. So you want to go ahead and choose any drive beside from this, or if you would like to choose this drive, go ahead and tap on the three dot, then simply tap on Repair Library. Doing this will re-download all of your games again. So once you're done, simply tap on Downloads and inside Downloads, scroll below, then simply tap on Clear Cache. Once you do that, you'll then be able to fix your issue. That is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.